So,
Can I
take
what?
a picture of that?
Nope. Everybody's like, yeah. No, yes, right. What? Friends, yes. Every one of my action figures was like a friend of mine. They were engaged in separate missions all throughout the house. I put them in cabinets so when my mom opened them, Sabretooth would maul my mother. She didn't like them on the bedroom floor though. When she got out of bed, I would leave like Deadpool there to assassinate her. And when he went through the bottom of her foot, I went to timeout. Yes, lecture. Yeah, you. No, you.
Yeah.
Cats or dogs?
They're trying to get him.
Gracer's back, stand up. Yes. Oh, wait, whoa. You're second. In the back. Yeah. I don't know, like 5 million.
335.
What? I noticed that as the end of the panel goes on, the crack level just skyrockets. I know. I'd like to eat her. No, I'll get it later. That's cool. Thanks. Okay, so last question. Who wants it really bad? So possible. What's my favorite video game? What? I don't know. I just got The Force Unleashed, though.